Good afternoon. I'm Mitchell Schechter, Editor-in-Chief of the Schechter Report, and I'm here with Mark Whalen of Electrolux Professional North America at the 2011 NAFEM show. Mark, can you tell us what you think of the show so far after a day and a half? How does it compare to recent shows you've participated in? Sure, Mitchell, and actually I can do this from our perspective as Electrolux, and also from my perspective as a member of the board of directors of NAFEM. So I know the numbers, and the show is 100% sold out. We budgeted for a little less square footage this year because of the economy, and we sold every available square foot of booth space, so we're very happy with that. Excellent. Our end user attendance, which is really a key part of our target audience, end user attendance is up double digits this year, so we're very happy about that. Our dealers are down a little bit, but all in all, I'm very happy with both the quality and quantity of traffic through the booth. Thank you, Mark. What do you say are Electrolux's chief goals for this year's NAFEM show? Well, this is the premier show in the food service equipment industry. And as you know, we've been in the United States with the Electrolux Professional brand for roughly 7 years. And so we're still establishing the brand awareness and brand presence. So building the brand is one thing. Another thing is showcasing the latest technology. We very much we pride ourselves on sustainability and innovation in design, and Europe tends to be ahead of the United States in both form, function, and design and performance, as well as technology. And I'm proud to say that we have the world-class innovation, world-class technology available here in the United States, and so it's really important for us to get that message out. This gives us a tremendous amount of reach. We have all of our reps that attend here, most of our key dealers, many key consultants, so a huge target audience that we'd spend thousands of dollars and countless air miles trying to see if we went out to see them. They're all under one roof. So all things considered, this show is a must-do. We'd be conspicuous by our absence if we weren't here, but I think our presence here builds the brand and accomplishes all of those objectives. All right, let's take a look at how these values and objectives from your company are being reflected in some of your new products. We're here with the AeroSteam Touchline, your new combi, one of your new combi oven models. Can you tell us what are the outstanding features and benefits of this piece of equipment? Absolutely, Mitchell. Prior to the launch of this product, I felt that we had the best cooking performance combi in the world. And that's because we do a precise job of controlling temperature and humidity. We adjust the humidity to the actual relative humidity in the cavity, and the thing you want to get out of a combi is precision control over temperature and humidity, and we do that best with our Lambda sensor, where we actually read the relative humidity. That adjusts for any moisture that's introduced into the cabinet from food that you put in and that you're cooking. The Achilles heel of our old combi was the user interface, and we spent countless hours developing the user interface, and it's very similar in function to an iPod Touch. So this is in manual mode right now. In automatic mode, we have several product categories. For example, here is poultry, and here's roasted chicken. I hit start, and now I can cook my chicken. So no other settings are required once that has gone in? All the humidity and the cycling is Absolutely. All automatic? It's all pre-programmed, so for a target audience with not a high degree of culinary sophistication or skill, it's merely the push of a button. However, if you do want to create customized recipes, on manual mode, you can vary the time, temperature, and humidity setting, and do up to 20 or 30 phases or steps in menu development. And what that enables you to do, and you can also control the fan speed, pulse speed, half speed, pulse, or full speed fan. So with all those variables, you can create a program, 3, 4, 5 steps, however many, name it something, save it, then you can recall it under program mode. You can also take that program, put it on a USB key, and go from oven to oven with it. Or, if you have a friend in another state,
that has the same oven, or if you're a multi-unit operator and you create a new menu item, you can email a file to all the locations, put it on a USB key, and then put it in the oven. So the functionality is really robust. We also have several other features. We have the green spirit, as I talked about sustainability, so we look to have the lowest water profile here. We have 5 different levels of cleaning depending on the soil load in the oven, and several other facets of this oven that make it sustainable.
That cleaning system is automatic?
Yes, it's an automatic cleaning system. Just hit the button, we inject the chemicals. We took our warewashing technology and applied the pump and spray system to the cleaning system here.
Mark, we're now in front of the high-speed panini press that Electrolux has recently introduced to the market. Can you show us how it works and describe some of the benefits it provides?
Absolutely. First thing I'm going to do is put a panini sandwich on the grill, close the door, and in 45 seconds you'll see the result. Now, this was developed to solve an operational problem with one of our customers in Italy, and it's been a worldwide sensation. We're going to cook in 45 seconds a panini sandwich, which would normally take 6 to 8 minutes in a standard panini grill, from cold to an internal temperature of 160 degrees.
And that's regardless of ingredients on the sandwich?
Well, it's a programmable unit, and when 13 seconds is up, I'll explain a little bit more about it. So we have the capability to do up to 4 programs, and each one will adjust according to what's being cooked at that particular time. So here we go. We have melted cheese, a toasted bottom, and
cooked shrimp,
and an internal temperature of 160 degrees.
And that took just 45 seconds.
45 seconds. Now let me tell you a little bit about the technology.
Yes, please.
We have an infrared bottom plate that does the toasting. We have a standard top plate with a Teflon paper here to keep the soil down and make cleaning easier. But we get the score marks from the top, from the standard plate. And then during the cycle, we use an appropriate amount of microwave just to heat the internal temperature and to melt the cheese. So it's a combination of contact, temperature, infrared, and microwave.
That's fabulous.
And what we've been able to do in some of our key customers is enable them to ensure proper quality first time, every time, ensure food safety first time, every time, and increase the throughput and sell more sandwiches.
Very, very satisfying. Mark, I thank you for your time and wish Electrolux all good luck at the show.
Great. Thank you, Mitchell.
Thank you.
Okay.